Welcome to Rajasthan series. Rajasthan was in our bucket list for years and finally we planned and executed it successfully in the month of December 2025. We were there for a week and we spent 2 days in Jodhpur. I'm going to divide the entire stay in Jodhpur and Jaisalmer into separate episodes so that I can cover everything from hotels, Haveli stay to shopping and what are the things that you can do there. Because time is money, and when you are on such a tight and a short visit, you want to make the most of it, and we were able to do it. I will tell you how to do that. Now, because it was December, everything was very expensive and we were aware of that. Now, there are 2 or 3 things which are very important for me when I'm traveling. I generally travel with my daughter because both of us love adventure and we have wheels under our feet. So safety is important. Comfort is not negotiable at all, and it should also fit into our budget. And we found one Haveli experience in Jodhpur, which is staying at Kutumb Villa. Now this is a family owned place, and as a family they take care of the guests. There was one Italian couple who was living there when we had checked in, and they take very good care of the foreigners, the kind of spices they would like to have. They personally take care of any medical emergency if it comes, or they personally need something. And for us also, they were always there to help us out. Being a first visit to Rajasthan, we were not aware about where to buy things from, or what are the things to buy, and where should we go, at what time should we go. The family helped us from day one. When we booked, it was very expensive. We paid approximately 11,000 and taxes for 2 nights. But when I was looking at TripAdvisor and other portals now, it's not more than 2,000. So it depends in the month you are going to Jodhpur, and your tariff for a night depends on the time when you are visiting. Now, where experience of staying in a Haveli is concerned, I saw a few reviews which were very critical and very condescending, in the sense that the room is not good and the windows are very small. Let me tell you, जब हम राजस्थान जाते हैं तो हम ज्योग्राफी में और हिस्ट्री में भी पढ़े हैं ना कि because it's Rajasthan, it's very hot and there's loo in the summer, so they have small windows to protect them from the loo, from the heat, from even when it's very cold, and from the sand. So this is an Haveli experience, so you have to understand that this is the way they live and this is the way the buildings were made so many years ago. It's also about aesthetics. So I found a room very comfortable. It has a soft bed, the clean linen. This is what we want. And the room has a decor which takes you back into eras. You can imagine like how people must have lived so many years ago. It's a very old Haveli, a very old property, and the owners there are living downstairs. So I was very safe with my daughter here. And trust me, we don't stay in the room more than a couple of hours, because only it's the night when you spend there, right? Morning we used to leave and come back late at night. So for that particular time, you don't want a swimming pool or large windows or the luxuries. The purpose is to choose a Haveli so that you know how people live there. And when we went there, we didn't know whether we should go for shopping on the first day or we should shop on the second day. The family helped us to understand everything. They even got us an auto. And the person was so reliable and so lovingly he took us everywhere. He explained like a guide. I think we would have not been able to have such a beautiful experience without the family helping us out of Kutumb Villa. So thank you everyone from Kutumb Villa for giving us such a wonderful experience in Jodhpur. We had an amazing time staying here, and I can't tell you how grateful I am to you for making our first visit to Jodhpur so beautiful. Can you tell me how many years is it you are running this place?
It has been almost like 22 years that my dad has been in this business.
Okay, and now you are also actively involved in this?
Yes, because you see, as our name suggests, the Kutumb Villa, the Kutumb itself means a family. So we make sure to give the whole environment, the ambience to be of family. So all of us are actively involved in it. So yeah.
Thank you so much. Yes, I've seen you interacting with all your international guests, and you present Rajasthan so beautifully. It's a beautiful family. Sir, can you tell me, why is this place considered so safe? Because I felt very safe here.
Actually, because we have the business of we're running the business of family business. So at the ground floor, my family lives, and we have the rooms at the up floor.
Yes.
So it's like the safe place to visit.
Absolutely.
The women's and girls.
एब्सोल्युटली. मैम, यू कुक फॉर द फैमिली. आप खाना बनाते हो जब गेस्ट आते हैं. मैम, आपको कैसा लगता है जब वो तारीफ करते हैं खाने की?
हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, खाने की तारीफ वगैरह करते हैं ना वो.
हाँ हाँ. और सबसे अच्छा उनको क्या लगता है खाने में?
खाने में अब जैसे वो जिस टाइप का ऑर्डर देना,
हाँ हाँ.
हिसाब से जो अच्छा बनता है उनको.
हाँ, लेकिन क्योंकि मैंने सुन.
जैसे कि दाल बाटी हो गया, जो
हाँ, हाँ.
famous है यहाँ पे. और नॉर्मली यहाँ पे जो गेस्ट आते हैं तो वो यही पूछते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो फेमस फूड है हमें वो रिकमेंड कीजिए.
हाँ, हाँ.
पॉसिबल हो तो हमारे लिए वो बनाइए.
और राबुड़ियाँ, बड़ी वगैरह सब्जी
हाँ.
फॉरेनर को वो ज़्यादा पसंद आती है.
ज़्यादा पसंद आती है.
राजस्थानी फूड है, जैसे कि पापड़ की करी हो गई. लाइक पापड़ हर किसी ने कंज्यूम किया, हर किसी ने खाया है.
हाँ, हाँ.
नोज कि हम लोग उसको करी के फॉर्म में, वेजिटेबल की सब्जी के फॉर्म में बनाते हैं. So they really like it.
क्योंकि मैंने सुना कि आप पूछ रहे थे कि ये फॉरेनर का खाना है तो हमें मिर्ची उस तरह से डालनी है. सो काइंड ऑफ यू एंड सो कंसिडरेट ऑफ यू. आई वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड.
थैंक यू. एक्चुअली बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक वी मेक फ्रेश फूड. जैसा डिमांड आता है वैसे ही बनाया जाता है. सो ऑब्वियसली सो प्री मेड करीज वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता, फ्रेश ही होता है सारा ग्रेवी वगैरह. तो हम लोगों को अगले का डिमांड जो है उसको
Fulfill
उसको उसको प्रायोरिटी देनी पड़ती है. बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल वी वांट कि वो सेटिस्फाई हो. दे आर पेइंग अस फॉर दिस, सो वी मेक श्योर कि हम टॉप नॉच उनको सर्विस प्रोवाइड.
एब्सोल्युटली. लेकिन पे से भी ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है आप प्यार जो है ना वो ज़्यादा परोसते हो.
थैंक यू सो मच. आई थिंक
मुझे ये तो दिखा ही. एंड कुटुम्ब विला के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. एंड दीज आर द पीपल हु आर मेकिंग कुटुम्ब विला सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड हियर इज सर.
I am founder of the Kutumb Villa.
एब्सोल्युटली सर.
She is my partner.
बेटर हाफ.
My full half. Actually, we are start this place,
Yes.
but now we are retirement age.
So children are becoming a part of
Hand over
it.
my new generation.
Absolutely. One last sentence about Kutumb Villa, sir and ma'am. Tell one last sentence.
I would just say that Kutumb is just not about us being a family, but it's us and the guests together. We make the family. So the Kutumb Villa, nobody is guest here. Everybody is a part of the family.
Wonderful. एक बात बताओ, खम्बागड़ी वी ऑलवेज हियर इट. ये इसका मतलब क्या है और ये हम कब बोलते हैं किसको?
It is basically Khammagani means a welcome, you could say.
ओके. सो अगर जब आप हमें खम्बागड़ी बोलते हो तो हमें आपको रिस्पॉन्स में क्या बोलना है?
It is Khammagani.
देवो भव,
Thank
अतिथि
you.
देवो भव.
थैंक यू.
दोबारा और पधारे, सेवा का मौका देवे.
बेस जरूर जरूर. थैंक यू सो मच. So that was a family talking about their experiences with the guests as well as running Kutumb Villa in Jodhpur. Now let me also tell you that when we took a cab from the airport, we got dropped at the Ghantaghar, which is the center point in Jodhpur. All the shops are here and the eateries are here, and it's a hub, it's a place where all the action takes place. So from there, once we got dropped there, it's a few meters, some 700 or 800 meters from there is Kutumb Villa. We chose not to take an auto. You have a choice of taking an auto. We didn't. We wanted to walk and we wanted to see what is sold in the shop so that we can plan our shopping list. So we walked from there and watched all the blue walls and the people, the general local life happening there. And we were so busy looking at all this, the shops and the things and everything, that we didn't even notice that we had crossed all these lanes and reached Kutumb Villa. Once we reached, we figured out the auto with the help of the founder, and we went on the sightseeing on the same very day. And I will share the number of the person who took us around Jodhpur in the description box, as well as the direct number of the founder of Kutumb Villa, and you can contact them directly, which will give you a good discount at Jodhpur. So see you in the next episode. Meanwhile, dream about Jodhpur, dream about the forts and fortresses, and plan your holiday to Rajasthan.